Hello and welcome back to the Crown Traders, astute investors and financial aficionados. How to harness the power of compounding to multiply your money is the subject we'll be exploring today. It contains the key to achieving ultimate financial wealth. Compounding, I know it sounds like a fancy term in the financial world, but believe me, it's the kind of magic that can make your financial goals come true. Hence, this film can serve as your guide to effectively traverse the world of compounding for optimum wealth multiplication, regardless of your level of experience as an investor or your level of inexperience. We go further into the tactics, ideas, and doable actions in this enlightening video to enable you to realize the amazing potential of compounding. Your key to turning little investments into large profits is this guide, which will demystify the notion itself and walk you through practical applications. Learn about the strategies used by great investors, how the snowball effect of compounding operates, and how to use your money to work for you. Whether you're just getting started or looking to maximize your current assets, this in-depth book gives you the information and resources you need to successfully navigate the world of compound interest and put yourself on the road to financial success. Start early or better lately. We will answer the central question: can financial greatness be attained by those who arrive fashionably late to the compounding party, or is early start preferable? Warning: you can always start the process of being financially successful later on. Finding treasure mines in investments. A one-size-fits-all approach to compounding does not exist. With compounding having the power to increase your money exponentially, we'll show you how to spot those promising investment opportunities. Making wise choices that support your particular financial objectives is the key. Press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you're serious about changing your financial situation. We have a ton of films planned to walk you through the nuances of wealth building. I promise you won't want to miss any of them. The path to financial triumph begins now. Are you prepared to master the direction of your finances? So let's get started on this accumulating wisdom path, my friend. Play it through, take in the information, and let's create the conditions for unmatched financial success. For what reason is compounding? Though this is probably not news to you, compounding is a financial alchemy that can grow a tiny investment into an empire. We are here to show you how to make it work for you, not simply to speak about it. Prior to delving into the tactics, perspectives, tax benefits, and investment prospects, let us pause to comprehend the importance of this potent financial idea. Did you know that compounding is sometimes cited as the world's eighth wonder? He who understands it deserves it, he who does not pay for it, was once said by renowned physicist Albert Einstein. The huge potential of compounding to grow your money is emphasized in this remark. Think of this comparison: making a sandcastle at the beach. You begin with a little mound of sand and mold it into a tower with gentle strokes. Imagine for a moment that the tower could magically replicate itself and create other towers on its own without your assistance. Compounding does exactly that for your finances. So how exactly does compounding function? Now let us dissect it. You would anticipate $50 in interest at the end of the year if you had $1,000 in a savings account earning a 5% annual return. Compounding, on the other hand, advances this. The $1,050 principal is increased by the $50 interest. The increased sum is given the 5% interest the next year, yielding $52.50. When compounding begins, the snowball effect kicks in, multiplying your money at an ever-increasing pace over time. Compounding yields higher returns for you the longer you let it to run. Consider making a $10,000 investment today at an 8% yearly average interest. 10 years later, you would have about $21,589 in your pocket. The worst part is that, if you left that investment alone for 10 more years without making any additional contributions, you would end up with $46,610. Your money compounds more quickly the longer you wait, building a strong financial engine. Let's now tackle the hypothetical scenario. What if you are older than 30 and didn't start early? Don't worry, you can still use compounding to your advantage for a better financial future, even if you're in your 30s or 40s. Starting today and being consistent are crucial. To optimize the impact of compound interest, create a clear understanding of your financial objectives, save and invest as much as you can, and consider solutions such as retirement accounts. However, how do you finance the down payment on your first rental property? You can solve this difficulty by looking into government-backed lending programs, collaborating with other investors, and making wise savings decisions. Discipline and consistency are essential. Furthermore, it's imperative to discover a good real estate offer. Examine sales data, conduct market research, and evaluate the likelihood of appreciation and rental revenue. Wealthy investors such as Barbara Corcoran have amassed their riches through meticulous transaction analysis and the identification of properties that are undervalued. What happens if prices fall? Real estate is a long-term endeavor, even though market volatility is a fact of life. Rental properties can bring in money even during recessions, and markets usually recover with time. Rather than being alarmed, view market downturns as chances to purchase real estate at a discount, laying the groundwork for future profits. As renowned investors like Warren Buffett have shown, resilience and long-term thinking are crucial. Recall that amazing outcomes are possible if you start small and are persistent. Before making any investment decisions, it is imperative to carry out extensive study and confer with financial experts, as this video offers insightful information. If you think this information was helpful, please subscribe to our channel, share the video, and leave a comment below. I appreciate you viewing, and I'm looking forward to our upcoming financial adventure.